Running an accounting firm can be a lot like managing a circus when you're doing it with so many different websites, apps, tools, and tricks. But like my boss always says, not my circus, not my monkeys. And that's how you should feel about it too. Here at TPS Software, we know you may rely on multiple disconnected tools for time entry, billing, workflows, document management, and client portals. We also know workplace juggling is not fun. While these tools may work well individually, they often don't communicate with each other, creating bottlenecks, delays, and lack of real-time updates. This forces your team to manually verify information across different platforms, leading to inefficiencies, missed deadlines, and frustrated clients. Who has time for all that? You don't have time for those games. TPS Cloud Axis is a client-centric practice management platform designed to centralize all your firm's operations in one seamless hub. When you switch to TPS Cloud Axis, you can say goodbye to juggling multiple tools and hello to streamlined workflows, real-time updates, and enhanced client satisfaction. With our centralized client information, all client data, documents, and communications are stored in one secure, easy-to-access platform. No more searching through multiple systems. We've simplified time entry. Whether it's manual entries or you're using the timers, tracking billable hours has never been easier. Accurate time tracking ensures precise billing and better productivity insights. With our workflow, you can use customizable workflow templates to assign tasks, track progress, and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Real-time updates keep everyone on the same page. Integrated billing and invoicing means you can generate invoices knowing exactly what time entries you're billing your clients for, reducing errors and saving time. And communicating with clients has never been easier with the use of our client portal. Securely share documents, collect e-signatures, and process payments, all while keeping clients informed with instant notifications. And each time a client drops a document into the portal, you'll be notified on your end too. To wrap this up, here are a few more things you should know about TPS Cloud Axis. We listen. Your feedback drives everything we do. From client suggestions to detailed reports, we're committed to evolving our platform to meet your needs. Just look at our report screen. We started in 1999 with about 100 reports, and now, after listening to our clients, we have over 400. We're equipped with enterprise-grade security. Rest easy knowing your data is protected with two-factor authentication, ensuring the highest standards of security. We're always here to help. Access embedded YouTube training videos for on-the-fly learning, plus live support via phone or email whenever you need it. With proven results. Don't just take our word for it. See what other firms are saying in our Capterra reviews. And seamless onboarding. Transition from virtually any program in a week or less with minimal disruptions to your workflow. Let us know when you're ready to get started. Just shoot us an email at sales@tpssoftware.com or give us a call at 1-888-877-2231. Thank you for watching.